expands the floor, turning holy words into a facade. But through the rift, the truth still calls. The King unites, breaking the walls. We are the temple, we are the flame, one collective body in His holy name. The devil twists scripture to blind the line, but the King reveals we're one, divine. This verse is power, that verse is pride. Use it to conquer, keep others outside. He quotes the scrolls with venomous grace to make division a holy place. But wisdom sees through His disguise. The Torah's truth unites, not divides. For every word, a bond to mend. The body of the King will rise again. We are the temple, we are the flame, one collective body in His holy name. The devil twists scripture to blind the line, but the King reveals we're one, divine. We're one, divine. He whispers softly, divide and choose. This law is yours, let the others lose. He sets the tribes on separate ways, turning the Torah into a maze. The scroll is sacred, that one's a lie. Follow my path, let the others die. But the word was spoken to heal and bind, not to shatter hearts or darken minds. We are the temple, we are the flame, one collective body in His holy name. The devil twists scripture to blind the line, but the King reveals we're one, divine. Pure and clear, unite every heart, cast out the fear. The law is love, not a weapon to wield. The temple's rising, the truth revealed. Oh, well, one divine. We are the temple, we are the flame, a chosen people yet all the same. The devil may twist, but the truth will reign. In the King's great love will rise again. Glorious light, His light will shine. Together in glorious purpose divine. In His great love we are aligned.